Hello friends, welcome back to Baran Creations. So here I am back with a beginner's embroidery series. So in this video I'll show you how to fill flowers and stem easily with just 2 stitches. So first let us put a stem stitch. So here I have 6 strands of thread and then a knot at the end. So like this. Let's put a stem stitch here. So you know my trick of putting stem stitch. This one like this. And the secret here is pull it only in one direction. So now here for the leaves, let's put this easy stitch, that is fly or Y. So let me show you once. So I was standing and putting the stitch, so literally it was very difficult. So finally now I have set my camera. So here I took the needle from below and then pulled it up, then again pull it down like this, then take it from here, from here, take it here. This is the position. Secure it with small knot. So this is the filling for leaves. You can use this in any embroidery designs. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let us reach 10k soon. So hit the subscribe button and hit bell icon to get notified. Thank you once again. Bye.